Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Smartwatch Storm Plus, also known as the ISW-O15 Smartwatch. This is the second video review for the unboxing of the Smartwatch Storm Plus. On this video, we are going to focus more on the menus and features for the iTel ISW-O15 smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the available features for this wearable, watch this video and of course like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the menus and features offered on our Storm Plus smartwatch, or model number or model name ISW-O15. Okay, so we have here the split screen. On top we have the settings here and other options for your wearable. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the right side we have the different widgets. You can add one or you can remove. Okay, as you can see here. To access the main menu, just press the power button. So we have here, obviously we have the Bluetooth call, we have the telephone, so that is the dial pad, we have the contact person, call records or call history. Can we use this one to navigate? Let's see. Yes. We have the voice assistant, data. This is, I guess this is the activity tracking, automatic activity tracking. We have the workout here. So several indoor and outdoor workout is available. Okay, we'll explore this on our next video. We have workout records, we have heart rate, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen, message notifications, weather, music control, breath training, stopwatch, timer. You also have an alarm, calendar, calculator, find phone, camera. For the settings, we have menu style. We have at least 4. We have notification option, that is a wake screen. If you want to receive a notification and you want to be alerted, you can activate the wake screen upon receiving notification. Display, we have the watch faces, brightness display. We have the screen time. We have 15 seconds here. Make it 30. Raise to wake, it's also available here. We have battery, vibration and ring, language support, and we have the QR code. Set time. Yes, there's an option for 12-hour and 24-hour format time. That's very good. You can also set the time here right away, even though you are not connected or paired with the support app. We have the system here. This includes the system info, shutdown, restart, and reset. Okay, so here are the details. Again, here are the menus and features of the Smartwatch Storm Plus, or the ISW-O15 smartwatch. You have workout, let's see the different types of UI for the heart rate. We have sleep monitoring, blood oxygen. We don't have the blood pressure. Weather report, music control, breath training, stopwatch, timer. You also have a calculator, very good. Remote camera. Do we have a music control? Yes, we do have a music control. Settings, notifications, display, vibration and ring. So let's change this to strong. Okay. Language support. So it has support for several languages here, as you can see. You have a QR code, set time, password, and that's it. For the watch face, Here are the available watch face for your Storm Plus smartwatch or the ISW-O15. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features of the O15 smartwatch from iTel. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And if you have any suggestions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!